You want to own a cleaning business and not be one. Let me show you the difference. Most cleaning businesses fail before they reach 5 clients. And it's not because they don't work hard enough. It's not because they don't have the right equipment. And it's not because the market is too competitive. It's because they priced themselves into the ground before they ever got started. I'm going to show you exactly how that happens, and more importantly, how to make sure it never happens to you. I built the Owner First Cleaning Business Framework because I kept seeing the same pattern. Hardworking people starting cleaning businesses, working themselves into exhaustion, and still not making real money. The problem wasn't their effort. The problem was the number they put on their services from day one. Today, we're going to fix that. Here's what we're covering. The number one pricing mistake beginners make, the real math behind what your services actually cost you, the pricing formula that actually works, why premium clients are actually cheaper than discount clients, and the exact next steps to build a profitable cleaning business. Let's get into it. The beginner trap. Here's how it actually starts. Someone decides to launch their cleaning business. They're motivated, they're ready, and they want clients fast. So they go online, they look at what other cleaners are charging in their area, and they think, I'll charge a little less. That way, I'll get the clients instead of them. So they charge $50 for a cleaning that should be $120. They get a client, maybe 2. They're excited, but then reality hits. They're driving across town, buying their own supplies, spending 3 or 4 hours in someone else's home, and at the end of the day, after gas, after supplies, after taxes, they've made maybe $12 an hour. That's not a business. That's a job that costs you money to go to. And here's the trap. Because they charge so little, they attract clients who are price sensitive. Those clients will leave the second someone offers them $45. So they're stuck on a hamster wheel, constantly hustling for low-paying clients who don't stay. You didn't start a business to be trapped. Let's look at the real math. Let's break down what a single cleaning actually costs you. We're going to use a real example. You have a standard 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home taking about 3 hours to clean. First, you have labor. If you're doing it yourself, your time is worth something. Let's say you're paying yourself $18 an hour. 3 hours equals $54 in labor costs. If you ever want to hire someone, this number goes up. And second is supplies. Cleaning products, microfiber cloths, mop heads, real costs that make beginners ignore. For a standard clean, budget roughly $16 in supplies. And then you have overhead. This is the stuff people forget about completely. Your gas to get there, your car insurance and wear, your phone bill, business insurance because you absolutely need it, software, marketing costs, spread across your jobs. This adds up to about $25 per cleaning. And then you have profit margin. This is not a bonus. This is how you stay in business. Invest back into growth and pay yourself beyond just labor. A healthy margin is about 20%. On this job, that's $21. And it all adds up. $54 in labor, plus $16 supplies, plus $25 overhead, plus $21 margin equals $116. $116 is your floor, not your ceiling. Anything below, and you're paying to work. You are funding someone else's clean home out of your own pocket. When you charge $50 for a cleaning worth $116, you didn't give them a deal. You paid them to clean. Now let's look at the pricing formula. How to price it correctly. The formula is simple, but most people skip it because they're afraid to charge what their work is actually worth. Calculate your true cost per job. Labor plus supplies plus overhead. Use real numbers, not guesses. Add to your profit margin, minimum 20%. This is non-negotiable if you want a real business. And then research your market. What are professional insured quality cleaning services charging in your area? You should be in that range, not below the cheapest option. Build tiered packages. A basic clean, a deep clean, and a reoccurring maintenance package. Each tier has a clear price and a clear scope of work. This removes the guessing game for both you and the client. Stop discounting to get clients. Instead, add value. Offer a first deep clean at full price. Offer a referral bonus. Compete on quality, reliability, and trust, not on who charges less. Here's the thing about premium pricing. It's not just better for you financially. It actually attracts better clients. Let me show you the difference between premium versus cheap clients. A discount client. They found you because you were the cheapest option. They will leave when someone cheaper comes along. They haggle on price. They leave bad reviews when anything is slightly off. They don't refer you to anyone because they don't think highly of your service. They just liked the low price. You work harder to keep them and earn less doing it. Now the premium client. They found you because of your reputation, your professionalism, or a referral. They pay full price without negotiating. They become reoccurring clients, and they tip. They refer their friends, their neighbors, their co-workers. Your retention rate with premium clients is 95% versus 30 to 40% with discount clients. One premium client over 2 years is worth more than 10 discount clients over that same period. Here's the math on that. A premium client pays $120 every 2 weeks, generates over $3,000 a year. A discount client paying $50 and leaving in 3 months generates $600. You need 5 discount clients to match one premium client. But the premium client takes less time, causes less stress, and is far more likely to bring you 2 more just like them. When you charge more, you attract clients who value your work. When you charge less, you attract clients who see you as disposable. You choose who walks through your door by the price you put on your services. Here's exactly what to do right now this week. Calculate your actual cost per job using the formula I just gave you. Write it down. Labor plus supplies plus overhead plus margin. That number is your minimum price. Look up what insured professional cleaning services in your area are charging. Call 2 or 3. Get a quote. Know your market. Build 3 packages. Basic, deep clean, and reoccurring. Price them based on your cost plus your margin, not based on what someone else is charging on Facebook Marketplace. And write a simple 1-paragraph response to the question, why do you charge that? Know your value. Be able to say it with confidence, because when a potential client asks, and they will ask, you need to be ready. Now take the quiz. It's in the description. It's called What's Actually Stopping You from Starting Your Cleaning Business. 60 seconds, personalized results, and there's a free guide waiting for you on the other side. Go take it now. If you are serious about building a cleaning business that runs without you doing all the cleaning yourself, the Owner First Cleaning Business Launch Kit is for you. It's $47. And inside, you get the per room pricing formulas so you never have to guess again. You get the phone quote scripts, word for word, so you know exactly what to say when someone calls. And you get the add-on pricing guide so you can increase your average job by 30 to 40% without adding more time. And you get the full Maryland Spotless framework, the system I built to grow without trading all of my time for money. Now remember, the quiz is in the description, and it's called What's Actually Stopping You from Starting Your Cleaning Business. 60 seconds, you get personalized results, and a free guide waiting for you. Go take it now. And if this was useful to you, if it changed how you see pricing, if it made something click, do me a favor and subscribe. Every week, I put out real lessons from building a cleaning business without doing all the cleaning myself. No fluff, no fake guru. You want to own a cleaning business and not be one. Let me show you the difference. Stuff, just real strategy for real business owners. Hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.